What's up guys, we're back with the latest scoop. We got a lot of stuff to talk about. The one for the fans is coming again. We have a new mystery Galaxy model number leaked, which could be the next fan edition. Plus we have some more leaks on the upcoming Galaxy A series, but before we talk about that, let's take a look at what could possibly be the Galaxy Note replacement. Out comes a brand new Samsung patent showing off a Galaxy Note design look with a dual slidable design. It's rocking a 2 gears and a gear roll under the screen, which allows the display to expand by up to 30%. So pretty much from a general smartphone form, it goes to a full-on tablet look. Slidable smartphones are coming in the future. Samsung has made it clear through their recent OLED display trailers that their upcoming displays will be slidable and rollable. If Samsung puts the S Pen on this phone, then it could be the best replacement for the current Galaxy Note series. It's still going to be a complicated move, but it's not impossible, as we have seen other companies showing off their concepts. But as we know, Samsung, they don't show off concepts. When they do show off, that is actually the final deal. Now this type of design has a big edge over the foldable smartphones because unlike the Galaxy Z Fold 2, where there's kind of a different weird aspect ratio for its outer display, this one has a traditional smartphone design look, meaning all of your third-party apps will work without any issue, just like they work on a traditional smartphone. But then of course it also has the ability to transform into a full-on tablet, which is, like I said, if Samsung puts the S Pen on this thing, it is an absolute banger. As crazy as this sounds, we may not be that far away from this technology. Something like this can happen in 2022. Also in the news, we have a new Galaxy S21 family model number leak. This is the mysterious SM-G990B model, and if you stack it up with the S21 lineup, it makes sense that this phone is actually a part of the S21 series, possibly the Galaxy S21 FE or S21 Lite. As the name suggests, it's going to be the lighter version of the original Galaxy S21. In my thinking, it's going to be more like S20 FE, but with an updated internal, which means Exynos 2100/Snapdragon 888 goodness. This will definitely be the successor to the Galaxy S20 FE. Now we have also heard that Samsung might actually make a Note 21 FE, so some rumors are kind of confusing. But for now, the model number is definitely very similar to the rest of Galaxy S21 family, which means very likely there's a bigger chance of the S21 FE happening. And last but not the least, Samsung is bringing some flagship level features to their Galaxy A lineup. At least with the 5G Galaxy A52 and the A72, you'll see a 120Hz refresh rate. And now, according to a newly leaked training video, both A52 5G and A72 can pack IP67 water and dust resistance. The last time Samsung did something like this was with the Galaxy A5 and A7 2017, so yeah, good to see something like this coming back. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts on the latest Samsung patent and what you think about the possibility of a slidable Note phone coming into the game. The Note series is just too legendary. The best thing Samsung can do is to add a product that has the Note essence, but then also has that next generation Z lineup integration into it. And for that, the dual slidable smartphone design looks perfect. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.